Share and grow. How to use social media the right way. Let's delve into what we call one-to-many marketing. I know many people teach you to just get it out there, be in the game, throw stuff up on Facebook, and claim this will work for you. But the truth is, that doesn't work. Don't post to create some noise simply. You want to post with a purpose. With the LifePharm Share app, you can find plenty of social media images in the Media section of the app, where you can post to your social media platforms. Your social media posts are incomplete without a good, gripping caption that makes your audience stop at your post while scrolling through the feed. We have pre-written social media captions attached to each image and video. You can copy the caption to your clipboard, and it can be pasted directly into the social media platform. They're designed to get someone to contact you so that you can create a lead from social. Let's go to the social media images here. Let's post this one right here. The Share app allows you to post to your social media in a couple of ways. Here's the first one. Directly click on the social media image and then click on the Share icon. This specific way will allow you to only post the social media image to your social media platform. This will give you a few posting options depending on the social media platform you choose. For example, with Facebook and Instagram, you can share the social media image to your newsfeed, your groups, or even your story. Don't forget, you can paste the pre-written caption to help guide you when writing your caption. Here's the second way you can post to your social media platform. After you copy the clipboard and click OK, you can choose from one of your social media platforms to post to here. This way will allow you to post the social media image to your platform with a direct link to a landing page, where your prospects will be able to request more information. You can choose from a few ways on how you want to post on your selected social media platform here. Let's go ahead and post the second way we just discussed and share the social media image to the Facebook newsfeed. Once you share to your newsfeed, you can paste the pre-written caption here, or craft a better caption that will publicize your content, increase outreach, and maximize conversion for your business. Please remember that these pre-written captions are only suggested captions to help guide writing your caption. However, you can always change and add to the captions with whatever you want. Next, hit Share. Just like that, it's going to post on Facebook. That's the easy part. Now, let me show you the best part about this. You can see how quickly the post goes on your Facebook and how beautifully it's displayed. Now I'll show you what happens when somebody clicks on this image. It'll take them out of Facebook into your replicated environment. Whether that image has been shared countless times on Facebook, when someone clicks on it, your information is embedded in there. It gets them out of Facebook, giving you the chance to work with them. Now they can request more information. The prospect requesting more information will input his name, phone numbers, and email here. That right there is a new lead from social media that has now been automatically loaded right into your contact management system with all your other warm market prospects. This is one of the most influential and popular features being used right now, because what we're doing is bringing in people, and as you can see, that's how fast you get an alert. You have a new alert for basically a new prospect, as requested by asking for more information. Now we go back to the Prospect button. What are we going to use? We'll use the Filters Sort button and tap on the Recent Activity to bring that person to the top. So now we just did one-to-many marketing, and we brought it back down to one-to-one marketing. This is a tool exclusive to this platform, so you guys are one of the very few who even have this tool available to generate new people to talk with. Of course, you want to talk to your warm market first, get through them, and work with them. But once you're through your warm market and it starts to get a little thin, you'll want to utilize the power of social sharing to reach more people. Find the social network that is used most frequently by your target audience. Be consistent. Get in the habit of posting at least once a week. Remember the mantra: post with a purpose and create meaningful content.